Organized planning. In real life, it refers to maintaining an organized structure in your business for daily operations. The structure is essential, no matter how simple or complex your business is. However, being well organized, it is not enough to scale up significantly any business. When landing here, you get this tool card and keep it. In exchange, you get a Big Circe. Every time you land back in this space, you will take another Big Circe. Once you have the color set, you will be able to draw a Big Idea card. You can get this set when you land individually on these spaces and on the Master Tool of Mastermind.
Specialized knowledge. In real life, every business has its own learning curve. Specialized knowledge refers to learning as much about your business, your market, and your industry. The more you know about them, the more chances you have to advance faster. If you land here, get a specialized knowledge card and keep it for yourself if you land here directly. If you land again in this space, grab a Big Circe. You can get this set when you land individually on these spaces and on the Master Tool of Mastermind. Note, when completing the color set of these tools, specialized knowledge will allow you to get an opportunity card.